There sure is a lot of junk floating around.
Oh, I'll never be such an ooly-fooly and let it get this bad again.
Don't be hard on yourself, Mayor Garth. You've learned your lesson, and it feels like we're making progress. Right, Mo?
The system has just gone from 90% clogged to 89% clogged. So, yes. You missed a bit.
Ah! What's going on? Quick! We better get cleaning!
It's out of control.
Yes!
It's the Gizmotron core. Ah, that's the master unit that controls the Gizmotron.
It appears to only have a small amount of debris.
Let's wrap this cleaning job up. Huh?
Oh dear, this is all the deleted pics from the pic patch.
That's a lot of junk.
How are we ever gonna clean it all and get to the master unit?
Aha! Together!
Oh yes.
Ready?
Ready!
And clean!
I now declare the system 0% clogged.
We did it!
Teamwork! Now that everything is cleaned up, we'd better get going.
Thanks for your help, Alva and Mo. I promise to keep the Gizmotron squeaky clean from now on. Bye!
Bye, Mayor Garth. Okay, Mo, time to go.
How's the patient?
Wow! With all the junk cleaned out, the laptop is running as good as the Gizmotron.
That's great, I think.
Alva's world, fun is never far.